Today I'm gonna sculpt the Hornet from Hollow Knight Silk Song using only my Android phone. So I started going through references on Pinterest and I found a ton of these. But after going through so many of these references, this is what I had. So to begin the blocking stage, I started out using the basic primitive shapes. Now, after the blockout was done, I started developing secondary forms. Some clay build-up, some move tool, and using all that, I dived right in. Now just as the process goes, I started adding some detailing as well. And now it was time for the posing, and I used Gizmo with mask a ton in this. Mostly it was just mask, move and rotate. And then it was time to add the clock. And that's my 2 hours of progress gone cause I didn't save on time and it crashed. Anyways, I did it again. And now finally it was time to add the textures and colors to our sculpt. And also smoothing some jagged areas and adding some fine details. And now after all the fine adjustments, this is the turntable of our sculpt. And after setting up better lighting, better environment, this is the final render. Hey, drop a suggestion for the next sculpt, subscribe.